You heard that right. We are about to dive deep into the top 3 crypto coins you need to have on your radar in 2025. And here's the kicker. These picks are perfect, even if you're just getting started on your crypto journey. So whether you're a seasoned investor or taking your first steps into the world of crypto, get ready to discover some hidden gems and learn why these coins are making waves. Don't miss out. Let's jump right in. So let's kick things off with our number 1 pick, Bitcoin. Now before we reveal it, let me ask you a question. What comes to mind when you think of the #1 crypto coin in 2025? For many, it's all about the value, stability, and trust. And guess what? Oh no. One pick perfectly embodies all those qualities. But you know what? It's not who you expected. That's right, it's Bitcoin. Yes, the king is still around and he ain't going anywhere. Even though there are tons of new players in the game, Bitcoin remains the OG, the undisputed leader, the heavyweight champion of crypto. Trust me, this coin is still a force to be reckoned with. So why is Bitcoin still the best crypto coin in 2025? Well, let me tell you. First, Bitcoin is still the most trusted and widely adopted cryptocurrency globally. It's the OG, the one that started it all. People have been buying, selling, and trading Bitcoin since forever. And this trust is like gold, hard-earned and rock solid. Second, Bitcoin has massive institutional support. Big players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and MicroStrategy are piling in. They see the value and potential, and they're not taking their eyes off the ball. And let's not forget, these guys manage big bucks. We're talking billions. When institutions like these show interest, it's serious. It's like having the big leagues come for the rookie. This attention adds credibility and stability to Bitcoin. Third, the scarcity of Bitcoin is part of its charm. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, and right now a good chunk of them are already lost or forgotten. That means less supply and potentially higher prices. It's like owning a rare collectible. People love those. Bitcoin also boasts a Lightning network that offers fast and cheap transactions, making it super convenient. Sure, it may not be as flashy as some new coins, but it's reliable and straightforward. And here's something to ponder. When times are tough and the economy feels uncertain, people tend to flock to safe havens. In the past, they put their trust in gold and real estate, but now they're turning to Bitcoin. It's like a digital version of those classic investments. People want to secure their wealth and protect it from the ups and downs of the market. And where can they do that better than with the king himself? In the end, if you're looking for a safe and long-term bet in the world of crypto, Bitcoin is still the way to go. Sure, it might not offer the insane returns of some altcoins, but it's like a steady friend that's always there for you. So why not add a little bit of Bitcoin to your portfolio? You never know. It could just become your secret weapon for financial success. As of today, Bitcoin is hovering around $96,000. Experts predict it might hit at least $120,000 this year. Now that's something to chew on. Alright folks, that's our #1 pick. Now let's move on to #2. But before we do, remember to hit that like button if you're loving this video so far. It really helps us keep bringing this top-notch content. Thanks for being awesome. Next up is Ethereum. Well, let's start with the fact that Ethereum is powering the future. It's the backbone of decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, and thousands of decentralized applications. Basically, if you're into crypto, chances are you've heard of Ethereum and know it's the real deal. But here's the inside scoop. Ethereum is evolving. It's recently transitioned to Ethereum 2.0, a major upgrade that shifted it to proof of stake. That means it's more energy efficient and faster. Now it's like a well-oiled machine, humming along smoothly. Plus, Ethereum is a hotspot for developers. Thousands of dApps call Ethereum home. These apps offer everything from borrowing and lending services to cool games and digital art. So what does this mean for you? Well, more users and activity mean more opportunities for you to get involved and make moves. Gas fees are lower, which means transactions are more affordable and with better scalability. Ethereum can handle more transactions without slowing down. That's a win for everyone. Now, while Ethereum is still considered relatively affordable compared to Bitcoin at around $1,800, it's still possible it could grow even more. You don't want to be left out. So here's the bottom line. If you're into crypto, you gotta have some Ethereum in your portfolio. It's not just a coin, it's a platform for the future. So don't miss out. Make your move on Ethereum and see where it takes you. Alright, we've shared 2 crypto coins that are killing it in 2025. Now it is time to drop the ultimate. Drumroll please. Oh no, 3 pick might surprise you. Get ready, because it's Solana. Solana is soaring high in 2025 and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. So why is Solana stealing the spotlight? Well, let's start with speed. Solana boasts ultra-fast transactions. We're talking close to 50,000 transactions per second. That's blazing fast. Plus, fees are low, making it great for everyday use. Imagine paying just a fraction of a penny for each transaction. It's like magic. But that's Solana for you. Next, Solana is seeing massive growth in NFT and gaming projects. Artists and collectors are drawn to its speed and affordability. It's like a blank canvas for creativity. And let's not forget the developers. Solana is backed by an active and engaged community of builders. They're constantly working on cool new projects and improving the platform. It's like having a team of friends who are always there to lend a hand. Finally, Solana has some heavy hitters on its side. Strategic partnerships with big names like Ledger and FTX give it credibility and support. So, here's the deal. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of crypto or expand your portfolio, Solana is worth considering. With its focus on speed, affordability, and developer-friendly ecosystem, Solana is on a trajectory to even greater things. It's like riding a wave. So why wait? Jump on board the Solana train and see where it takes you. Currently, Solana is priced at around $96, but as more people catch on, that price could skyrocket. It's like finding a hidden gem that everyone's gonna want. So don't miss out. Invest in Solana and let it grow with you. Now before we wrap things up, let's talk about some bonus tips for beginners. First, consider dollar cost averaging DCA, which basically means don't try to time the market. Instead, invest a set amount of money at regular intervals. That way you buy more when prices are low and when prices are high. Second, start small. We're talking $10 to $100 using platforms like Coinbase or Binance, which are known for their reliability. And remember, crypto is like a roller coaster. Prices go up, they go down. Don't panic, just hold on. Also, keep your assets secure. Understand the difference between hot wallets like exchanges and cold wallets like hardware. And finally, follow credible news sources. Be cautious of FOMO or fear of missing out. Don't rush into hype coins. Do your research. And there you have it. We've uncovered the top 3 crypto coins to watch in 2025. Whether you're a crypto veteran or just starting out, these coins are worth keeping an eye on. Remember, do your research, stay informed and invest wisely. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these coins are you watching in Q2 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for weekly crypto updates and AI-powered investing guides. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy investing.